Hey Lucas, this is Lucas, this has been this trade that we took here. Look, $434 trade. We're making $9,484 from this trade, and it's swing entry. This is the point where we entered the trade, and we've held it all the way down. We're swinging it. Swing is like probably like an Elliott wave pattern, and you're taking the swing with it and all. So in today's YouTube video, I'll be talking to you about swing trading. I'm someone who takes swing trading a lot. I'm very good at it. And I've decided to tell you three things that really help in your swing trading journey. A lot of people don't know this, and because they don't know this, they fail a lot in trying to hold trades. Like I've always advocated, swing trading is better than scalping because you're holding for a very long time, you're sure of your profits and all. So join me in today's YouTube video. We'll talk about swing trading, the three main secrets, like mother secrets that you use to trade swing trading and make money from it and profitable. Damn, I'm profitable, and I'm sure by the time you're done with the video, we'll really achieve a lot. So let's go into the video. This is me directly from that, make whatever. Let's get into the video. The first important thing you have to do whenever you're trying to trade is swing trade. You should make sure that the point where you get your swing entry is the major support, major line, major trend line, major resistance. It has to be the major one, especially because swing trading is often best when you get that higher time frame. So if you're going to get your swing trading at higher time frame, and then the thing is not at a major support or a major resistance point, then you will lose. If you get your entry from minor supports or minor resistance points, you're going to lose a whole lot of money. Just like this trade that we have here currently on now. This is like D1. You can see that there are two major support trend lines that are signifying that this is like a swing. Now, watch the trajectory of the market. Once it gets here, it buys. Once it gets here, it sells. Once it gets here, it buys. Once it gets here, it sells. So now I've had that in mind, okay, that this is how the market moves. That normally once it gets here, it should sell down. It got here, and then the mindset should be this market is about to sell. So what do? Look at where we got the point at. Look, this is the place we took our entry at 0.5. We just did 0.5 and one lot size, just 0.5 and one lot size, and we're already making $9,502. Now, we only had 0.5 and one lot size. The point where we took it was where the market began to reject and sell. Why? Two reasons. First of all, because there was a double bottom here. You can see that I have a horizontal line placed here, showing that I'm indicating a double bottom. That's one thing from the higher time frame. This is the higher time frame confirmation, not lower time frame. If you're going to use lower time frame confirmations, then you will likely lose your swing entry. Higher time frames, like I've always said, for most people who use the laptop for analysis, H4, D1, MN, 1 week, all those are higher time frames. M30 as an intermediate time frame, M15, M5, M1 as your lower time frame. So let's assume that this is the higher time frame in D1. We first of all had a confirmation that there was a double top here. If you see, normally this is how the market is meant to be. Connecting this to this. But then because there was a double bottom, there's a strategy I normally teach. Because there's a double bottom, we now move the trend line like this and say, okay, now this is how the trajectory of the market is. So now the market is connecting this to this. Higher time frame, double bottom there, double top rather, higher time frame. Now, what is the other higher time frame confirmation? This particular major trend line you're seeing here. Because like I said, the normal trajectory of the market is, you get here, you buy, you get here it sells, it gets here, it buys. That's like the normal trajectory. That's why it's swing. Now remember, there's difference between swing and day trading. Swing is, the market is like in an Elliott wave pattern. You're making moves with what's happening in the pattern. But day trading is you holding the market for a very long time. That's why swing trading is the best, because swing trading adds your day trading, like both of them work hand in hand. Because swing trading, you can hold it for a very long time, for a very period of time. So now what was I saying? The second thing that made us take the trade was because of this trend line here. This trend line here was so important to us that we had to draw it. So we're having two confirmations. We're having a double top, these two things standing. We're having this one here also standing. Two things telling us that this market is perfect for us. And that was why, of course, if not just that we deleted some, you would have seen that we had to look for lower time frame confirmation before I took this trade here. Look at where I took the trade, 0.5 and one lot size, both of them running all the way down here, and then we took the trade here and the market began to sell there. Now, what is the second thing that you need to know whenever you're taking swing trade? This is one part that I've seen a lot of people fail. Because myself, when I give people signals and say, okay, this is swing trading, enter the market, make your money, do anything, you find out that sometimes people lose at the end. Why me? I'm saying profit, but then they lose. Why? Very easy. If you notice something, especially if you've been watching my YouTube videos, you see that once I enter a trade, I don't go looking for other parts to enter again. Once I enter a trade, that point where I enter the trade is the point the market decides to move, and I don't go looking for other entries into the market. I don't go looking for, okay, this market has been traced back, let me take another one. All those things are bullshit. This is it now. We took this trade here, 0.51 lot size. Perfect. We could have decided when this market will trace back here to sell again at this point, but we didn't. Why? For swing trading, you want to maximize your profits. You want to maximize it. It's very advisable that once you take the trade, just let it fall like that and hit your big profit. I've seen a lot of traders, assuming they enter the trade here like I did, the market will sell. A little retracement around this area, they'll be like, this market is about to sell back again. Then they'll take another entry. Then probably the market sells, and then this huge retracement will take them out. Because that other one that they entered the second time is already in the loss, and they'll be expecting that loss is no longer, it's not that big, and then it cuts them out and cuts them short, and they lose everything totally. So if you want to make sure that you are maximizing your swing trade, because it's swing in the sense that it's like in a wave. So within those waves, what am I saying? This is a wave. It gets here, it comes here, it gets here. That doesn't mean it will move directly like that or move. It doesn't mean it will sell directly or you will buy directly. No. There are possibilities that the market could make more, informed decisions within those trades. Like here now, in this part of the market now, you can see that even though it sold, it didn't just sell directly. At this point, there were lots of things here. All these things are creating opportunities for more people to enter. And because there are things going up like this, some people might actually lose money here. Why? That's because if they have entered the first time and they're entering again, that's very bad. So if you want to take your swing trading, I highly advise you that you make sure you take just the entry, leave it. Because you make a whole lot of money at the long run. I keep saying Forex is a marathon, not a sprint. If you keep looking at it as a sprint, as a get-rich-quick scheme, something you have to do within the short term and make money, no, that's not it. It's a marathon. You're going for it for the long term. So like this, I took this trade. We took this trade around January 17th. This is about February, March. We've held it all the way down to this place and we're still making a whole lot of money from it. Why? Because we have decided to still keep to our stock. The third thing I'm going to talk about, which is the third and the last, three things. I'm going to add two things to the third one. One of the things to the third one is you must know technical analysis if you really want to take swing trading. Swing trading is not something you need indicators for. No. It's not something you need robots for. No. Swing trading is pure technical analysis, price action that I teach. Not everybody knows price action. People don't know and all those, but that's by the way. But then swing trading needs you to understand the fundamentals of the market, to know how the market reacts and how the market works, to be able to know, okay, this is this. Very important. So if you want to do swing trading, you must know what the trend line signifies, what the candlestick signifies, what this is happening, how this is happening. And then there's a lot of psychology attached to swing trading. A lot of psychology. Most people, when this trade was around this area, it was around $8,000, $7,000 profits. And then when the market started reversing back, look at this 3 huge green candlesticks they were trying to reverse back. Now people will be afraid. My trade was at 7,000. Now it's back to 5,000. Now it's back to 1,000. I should close the market already. No. Because we have a strategy that we're heading to. We want to follow the strategy. We want to make sure that this is how we trade the market. That's why we said we know what we're doing and then we left it to still fall and fall below. In fact, here, before I did this video, here was around 12K, just like it has retraced back when I was trying to do the video. So the point is there are psychologists attached to it. You must be able to overcome this psychology. Know what you're trading. You must know what you're trading. You must have mad-ass idea about technical analysis, price action to be able to redefine your swing trading. I keep saying swing trading is better than scalping. Or scalping, most people who scalp are always scalping within the lower time frames. And because they are scalping within the lower time frame, they don't see the general trend of the market. And because of that, most of them see fake outs, breakouts, all those kind of things that make them lose money. But because in swing trading, you're taking the trade for a long period of time, and then you're taking it as a swing, you're making a whole lot of money from it. We've held this trade for more than a month, and we're currently at 9,000 something profit from just a $454 account. That's to tell you how powerful it is. Of course, for some people, it might be small money, but then for some good traders who know that what we're doing is not get money quick kind of a thing, this is something that pays a lot. So that's why this is very, very important. We've done a lot of videos about swing trading, especially the technical analysis part. I think there was one we did last month. You can go watch it. This is Make Fonda. Make sure Make Derry. Why do I keep saying Make Fonda? Oh, I know why. Make Fonda is a proprietary firm specifically for synthetic indices traders. There is synthetic indices traders who want to get funded, have this knowledge and want to get funded. Definitely go for Make Fonda at www.makefonda.com. Get your account there, register, do whatever. Get funded. We offer up to $10,000 accounts with very, 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 very slow little regulations and all and rules, and you'll be able to trade your account. This is Mick Derry. Make sure you subscribe because we post a lot of good videos that are very, very helpful and insightful to traders. Fiscal mentorship is currently going on in Lagos, Nigeria, for all Mick Derry synthetic industry traders. This is Mick Derry. Bye. All good.